Boom! Hello guys, this is Rambi back to another video, and today I wanted to show you how to install the gunjack 2 VR for free. And the only things that you need is an Android device with Android 7 Nougat, because without it you can't run it. Anyway, the first thing that you have to do is to go over this page, and the link is in the description, and download the APK and the data file. Once that you downloaded all the files, you need to open your file manager. I have Explore over here, and you need to install the APK. Okay, perfect. Once that you install the APK, you click on done, and you need to take all this package here. So I'm going to copy. No, one moment, sorry. You need to copy the files in Android Hub here. You need to copy the file over here. So I'm going to copy it. Okay, now you can try to run the application. So let me see here, gunjack 2. Okay, as you can see, my phone is not compatible because I need DAYDREAM. And anyway, if I said got it, I can play the game anyway, but as you can see, maybe in a moment, I need a controller. Then I need to install the DAYDREAM. So what? Sorry. Here, you need to go over this page and download DAYDREAM. Save. Okay, once that you download it, you have to install it. So install. And if you want, you can open it, but it doesn't change anything. So anyway, now I'm still need a controller. So I'll show you here. Compatible phone. Okay, got it. As you can see, controller disconnected. So what? You need another phone, an Android device, and one moment, I'll show you. Okay guys, as you can see here, you need a controller to play the game, but if you don't have any controller, you just need another Android phone. You have to go in the description and download the controller emulator, and then install it. You need to go on settings, after that on device info here, info software, and you have to click multiple times over the version build here. But as you can see, I'm already a developer, but you need to press like 7 or 8 times, I don't remember. And after that you need to go back and enter in the developer mode. After that you have to enable debug USB here. Okay, now you need a computer and the cable. Okay, here. You need to connect your phone at the computer. And you have to pair this phone with the Bluetooth over this phone. Okay, and then you can open the control emulator. You have to wait a few seconds, and okay, perfect. As you can see, now I am connected and I can go around here, and I just want to show you something here. It's a little difficult. Okay, and anyway, as you can see, it's working. Okay guys, as you can see, everything is working pretty good. And if you like this video, thumbs up, and if you want, subscribe at my channel. And see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.